Entering the field from Nashville, Tennessee, please welcome the McGavock High School Marching Band.
We owe a lot to the band. My family wouldn't be here if not for, meeting my wife in the band and everything like that. I was in the band many years ago, 1995 through 99. This band's got a lot of legacy, a lot of competitions that it's won, numerous so that I probably couldn't even do it justice counting all of them up.
So the McGavock High School Band was founded when the school was built in 1971. From 71 all the way to 2019, McGavock had the most state championships of any Tennessee marching band. There was a brief lull. I think we can all agree that COVID threw a bit of a wrench in the way that perhaps society functioned or the way the education system functioned due to students being at home. So here we find ourselves now in 2025, my second year as the director of bands at McGavock. How can we bring the students of this program to be excited about making music at a high level again and bring back the competitive spirit? The band semi, the large white trailer that rolls around with the McGavock High School Band. That trailer stood dormant beside this band room for 5 years.
I started hearing rumors that they were finding somebody who was going to be able to repair the trailer and get it back roadworthy. When they started talking about getting the trailer operational, I was like, maybe there's something we can do.
I think the great thing about RJ Young is with tens of thousands of clients, education is one of our top 3 industries or verticals that we work with.
I am very grateful, our program is very grateful for RJ Young and for the communication that has taken place from RJ Young employees that are now, proud alumni and have students going through this program. That's how I view this decal. It's really not an object, it's not just a tangible item. It's really a symbol of the renaissance, the rebirth of this band program. A symbol of the fact that the McGavock Band is back.
I think one of our main goals at RJ Young is just to be a trusted vendor. And some of the solutions that we can provide to help do that would be physical security and vape detection for bathrooms, interactive whiteboards for classrooms, document management software. There's just so many solutions that we can help you with. And if you ever wanted to learn more, feel free to check out our website.